I'm Melanie, 40 years old from Philippines. I have two sons. My eldest son is 10 years old and my youngest son is 5 months old. I am high school graduate. I worked before in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for 4 years. Both are finished contract. My first contract is from October 2017 to October 2019. My job responsibilities were going to market, cooking, house chores, and walking the dog 2 times a day in car wash. And my second contract is from October 2019 to October 2021. My job responsibilities is going to market, house chores, cooking, and teaching the child and the school. And now, I'm applying as a domestic helper to the future of my family. I hope you give me a chance to work with you in your family. I promise to do my best to fulfill my duty. I am hardworking, honest, and follow the rules in your house. If you have a child, I treat as my own. I promise to finish my contract. Thank you. God bless.